Hey there, is iCloud not working properly on your iPhone? That can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help. This could be happening due to several reasons, such as connection problems, outdated software, or even an issue on Apple's side. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy solutions to fix it. So let's dive in and get your iCloud working smoothly again. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, open a browser and go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If the connection is slow or unstable, enable airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps resolve the issue. Solution 2. Check Apple system status. Next, open Safari or any browser and search for Apple system status. Look to see if iCloud services are down or facing an outage. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait until Apple resolves the issue. Solution 3. Sign out and back in to iCloud. Now, open Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Confirm that you want to sign out. Then, sign back in to your Apple ID to refresh the iCloud connection. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings, then tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, just go ahead and update your iPhone. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset network settings. After that, enter your passcode. Finally, tap Reset network settings again. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix iCloud not working on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.